We're gonna let Gal taste the sorry, Armin. Let me know if he's gonna like it. Let's see. You have to be honest. Is you say this or this? Okay.
About the sardines?
Yeah, about the. He doesn't want me to call it an omelette. It has egg.
Because there's no omelette here.
What is omelette? I think omelette is egg, right?
Yeah.
Hey, there's egg. And then I mix it the sardines.
It's a raw egg?
Not a raw egg. It's just that the sardine has a sauce. And so that's kind of it look like that. You taste it. Taste it first. Is it good or is it bad? Just so.
Yeah.
So there. So he does. It's not so thrilled about the food, but at least it doesn't dislike the food.
I can't understand. Did you cook the egg or not?
It's cooked. It's just that the sardines in can it has like tomato sauce. It's not like fried or like.
I know.
And though I didn't like, I just mix it with egg, so it's kind of like look like that.
Yeah, but usually you can see the egg.
Yeah, but usually people would first cook the egg and then they mix the sardines. But I'm so lazy to do that, so I just mix everything and I cook. I always shortcut the cooking, like I said.
Do you think you are a lazy person?
In cooking, I mean, I
In
guess
general.
I'm not lazy in general. It's just that when I'm cooking, I try to do the shortcut technique. Okay, we're gonna have our breakfast now. Let's go. Okay, so Gal already packed his things. He's ready to leave. He's going to the Balingoan port. Balingoan? Balbagon. At the port going to Bohol, so he's ready to leave the island.
Ciao.
Yeah, so he's gonna go to Bohol. And then, cause his flight going like outside the Philippines is
On the third.
on the 3rd, so he needs to be in Cebu by the 2nd, on or before the 2nd. So yeah, so we're gonna say bye, Gal. Have have a safe trip and enjoy your remaining days in the Philippines. Bye. Gal, have a safe trip.
Bye.
Okay, we're saying goodbye to Gal now. Okay, so later we're gonna go to the port din naman. In the afternoon, we're gonna catch the last trip. I already booked my stay in Cagayan, so we just need to go there. So, yeah. And then we're going back to Manila. Okay, yan. So, we're going to the port na kasi medyo tumila na yung ulan. Kanina ko pa gusto umalis eh. Kaso, maulan. So, I already cleaned the room. So, this is what Ate Marquez has to wash. And then, we're gonna leave now. So, there's no electricity right now. So, we have to go na before the rain starts again. Okay, let's go. Okay, so now we have to walk fast kasi I don't know, baka biglang umulan na naman. Maun kami na naman yung pag-alis natin. So, we're going to Cagayan. We're going to the Benoni Port. Sana sa paglalakad natin hindi umulan. Dahil wala akong dalang payong. So, there, somebody, I received a notification that somebody is booking tonight. I think he's from Poland, pero I'm not gonna be able to meet him anymore because I'm leaving. So, Ate Marquesa will be the one in charge to take care of him. So, I'm just gonna message Ate Marquesa na that I left yung mga clothes na kailangan niya labhan. 2:30 na, so hindi ko alam kung ano yung susunod na schedule. So, hintayin lang tayo dumaan yung tuk-tuk. At sana hindi tayo madatnan ng ulan dito. Dawa tayong payong. So, nakarating na tayo. So, it's almost 3 p.m. So, di ko alam kung anong susunod na schedule. Tingnan natin. Anong oras yung susunod? Ay, dito? 4:15 pa pala ang susunod na ferry. Maaga tayo. Kasi 2:53 pa lang. So, mag-wait pa tayo ng more than an hour. So, siguro, kumain muna tayo dito sa mga karinderya. Para hindi na tayo magantay ng taga sa loob. Chumicha muna. Okay. Let's go. Ginagahan ko na yung alis kasi baka mamaya umulan na naman. Mahirapan pa akong dito na tayo kumain kasi ito yung malapit. Baka mahirapan pa ako na umalis, diba? Tingnan natin kung anong food nila. Anong food nila dito. Wala na ata sila masyadong food. Pork. Hindi na lang yung food nila. Dito tayo sa isa. Baka mas maraming options. So, tingnan natin kung mas marami silang options. Ako, paubos na lang din. Tingnan natin kung ano yung nasa kaldero. Okay. So, order na tayo ng food. This is our food. So, we're just gonna eat. And then, after then, we're gonna go back to the port. Let's go to the port now. It's starting to rain again. Going inside the port now. Okay, so we're boarding now. So now we're gonna look for the van. I mean, we're gonna ride the van going to the other city, the city. Okay. Let's go. Outside the van, going to Cagayan City or City. Pero, yan, sa pinupuno lang nila. They're trying to make this van full of passengers. Ganun. Okay, let's go. Grabe, nakarating na tayo sa Agora. Sa traffic tayo. So, it took 3 hours to get to Agora. So, kaya natin siguro na mag-taxi kasi malakas yung ulan. Okay, so nakarating na tayo dito sa ating hotel sa Parkview, which is the cheapest one. 9 o'clock na. Hello, meron akong booking reservation. Okay, so this is my room. It's a non-air condition. Air conditioner. Kasi matutulog lang naman tayo tomorrow. We're going to check out like very early. Siguro mga 7. Kasi my flight is at 11 a.m. So, we're just gonna sleep. We just need a place where we can sleep for a night. And I remember when I was here maybe 2 years ago or something. This is the same room I was in. So, yeah, I'm so tired that it was so traffic. 3 hours to get here. Pero, we're just gonna take a shower and then rest. That's it. Okay, so it's 11 o'clock now. So, mag-check out na tayo kasi na-move yung flight natin ng 11 to 2 p.m. So, I received a notification this morning that our flight has been moved to afternoon, 2 p.m. So, that's okay because my checkout time is 12 p.m. here. So, we're gonna go to the terminal going to the port now. So, let's check out. Okay, so we went. Oh my god, umuulan pala. It's raining. Oh my gosh. Hopefully merong raincoat si kuya. I think sana to. Sana ba yan? Ay, hindi pa pala. We already arrived here sa my terminal, van terminal. So, tingnan lang natin kung ano yung schedule. So, we bought our ticket. So, may ticket na tayo. So, 12 noon pa. So, tingnan ko muna. Alam ko may pasalubong center dito. Hindi ko lang alam kung saan banda. Dito o sa kabilang side. Tingnan natin. Pasalubong center. So, tingnan natin kung anong pipili natin. See what we're gonna buy. Ano gusto niyo guys? Pasalubungan ko kayo. Sarap. Hindi natin pasalubong. Konti lang binili natin kasi hindi naman kasi agad na uubos minsan pag madami binibili. So, nagugutom ako. So, kain na tayo ng chicha dito. Inside the Gindingan Airport. Makapasok ko tayo. May bago na pala silang ano. Kasi parang natin wala ito eh. Yung gate namin sa gate 3. So, lipat kami sa gate 3. So, 1:53 na. And the flight is at 2 p.m. pero wala pa yung airplane.
Wala na pong zone 1 po.
No boarding.
Di ba ko zone 1 po pag dito sa kabila? Prepare na lang ng ID and boarding.
Let's go inside now. We are now back in Manila. We're now home. We're just gonna find a motorbike to take us home, guys. We're now back in Manila. Okay, so we already have our driver, motorbike driver. We just need to go to the motorbike area because they're not allowing motorbikes to enter this place in the airport anymore. So, kung saan dati kasi nagpapaakit pa sila ng motor sa taas, but now they have na specific area na where you have to go if you're gonna ride a motorbike service. Ayan, dyan sa area na yan, that's where you will go. Here we're just waiting for our motorbike driver to arrive. Ay, motor.